Good morning again, folks. Steve here from Off Grid Vintage Tractors, Rural Life. I don't pull that tractor up there because that's Sal's, but I need to convert that to 12 volt and put the starter switch on like it was on the one we just sold, a one wire alternator. I need to convert that. Then I have to buy another 12 volt battery though. But anyways, I was thinking I was going to pull this up. But they're not flashy. See, they're not flashy. They're not bright orange like the Allis-Chalmers. We don't have an Allis-Chalmers up there right now, do we? No. Actually, we don't, guys. Maybe I ought to pull this D17 up. What do you think? Should I? Do we have a... Yeah, we got a Super A up there right now. We need an orange. Hang on, guys. What about it, guys? Should we put that WD-45 up there? I think that with that plow would be kind of catchy, wouldn't it? Let's pull that up, guys. Yeah, let's do that. Let's pull that up. But we need a oh, we do. We got one mowing tractor up here. I don't know how much gas is in this, folks. I have no idea. It's on an angle, so seeing it is not going to do much to help me see it. Look at the mold coming on this. I've never had that on Allis-Chalmers before. Usually the Farmalls do that. Something about the paint on the Farmalls. Well, let's fire this dude up. Let me climb up. Climb up on this baby. Really wished I could have done business with Jim on selling him this. I really wish I could have. I wanted to. I wasn't in the position to have calves anymore, guys, nowadays. You know, the fences are all down now. The barn's a mess with water in it. Let's give her a shot. Yeah, give her some more choke there. Oh, I got this. There we go. Don't even need to choke, do we? Nope. Alright, we're in neutral. Let me take my foot off the clutch and raise the plow. There we go, so we can back up. No kitties around here or behind me or anything else. Alright, we're good. I can turn this thing on a dime. So we're good to go. I better give her just a little fuel since she's cold right now. I haven't warmed it up. Alright, now we can push her in because I'm running it. She's running now. So yeah, we'll have 3 brands sitting out front. Why don't we do that, huh? Let's have 3 brands sitting out front here.